Lose weight fast. 7-day Cabbage Soup Diet in under a minute. Quick diet. Looking to shed pounds quickly? The 7-day Cabbage Soup Diet might be your answer. Get started with a delicious cabbage soup. Start by making a big pot of delicious cabbage soup. The soup can be your go-to meal, a reliable staple that helps you power through the week with ease. The basic ingredients: cabbage, onions, tomatoes, celery, and bell peppers. These veggies are packed with nutrients and low in calories, making them perfect for weight loss. Add your favorite spices for extra flavor. Think garlic, parsley, pepper, and maybe a pinch of chili flakes if you like it spicy. Follow the diet plan for the next 7 days. Savor this soup along with specific foods days 1 and 2. Enjoy with fruits. Fresh and juicy fruits will satisfy your sweet tooth. Days 3 and 4. Add in vegetables. A colorful mix will not only brighten up your plate but will also provide essential vitamins. Day 5. Lean meats are introduced, like chicken or fish, for protein. Days 6 and 7. Combine everything for a hearty finish. This blend keeps your taste buds excited and your tummy full. Stay hydrated. Remember to drink plenty of water and avoid sugary drinks. Hydration helps flush out toxins and improves metabolic function, which in turn aids in weight loss. Important consideration: this diet promises quick weight loss, but always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any diet. Individual results may vary, and following a balanced diet is paramount. Moreover, listen to your body. If you feel dizzy or weak, it's essential to reevaluate your diet plan. Want to learn more? Visit our website